Hello guys! In this video I explained you how to convert Python application to X application. So for this I will use Python library called auto-py-to-exe. This is important, so you can Ctrl+C and save this and go to our PyCharm. So in my case I will work with this folder. I have Binance folder and version 1 project. So in this folder I have some types of file. This application work like scraper from web pages. Okay, so start. We go to terminal and write this command Ctrl+V and auto-py-to-exe and push enter. At this moment you see window where we will work. So first field, script location. Here we need put location to our main Python file. So in my case this is file main.py, so I go to project folder, yes, version 1, and I choose main.py. Next, what does it mean? One directory or one file. For example, if my project consists of many files, and I put this in one directory, I choose one directory. But if my application need only one file, so for example, if my main file this main file is the only one for my application, I choose one file. But in my case, I choose one directory. Next, console window. This means that we can choose console-based or hide the console. For example, if my application requires that user provides some data like numbers, words, something else, so you choose console-based. But in my case, I choose hide the console because I not need console. This is scraping application, so I don't need this. Next step, I recommend you go to next, additional files. How you understand we need add other files located in the project folder. Put add files. In my case, this is home driver, scraper, in table. We not need main.py because we add this file here, like main. Next, we go to the icon. This is not important, but you can choose it. This must be .ico format. I have this type of file, downloads, and choose this is .ico, open. Next, we have advanced options, but at this moment this is not necessary. And next is settings. You can choose a directory where this new folder of application will be saved. So I choose desktop, and next we can push convert py-to-exe. But we have error. Don't worry, it's okay, because it's new version of auto-py-to-exe and how fix it. Firstly, we look what is the error. We see here that the typing package. This means that this is library is not necessary, and please pip uninstall typing. Okay, we not close this, we only go to our PyCharm. I recommend push here Python packages and typing and simply delete package. It's not take a lot of time waiting. Okay, this is ready. Come back to our window. We push clear output and again write convert. Here you have see the process of conversion. The time of conversion depends how big is your project. If this is only one file, is simple script, this will be very quickly. Okay, so I push pause and continue when this folder will be converted. Finally, the conversion is complete and we can see how everything works. So at this moment you see complete. You can close this window and go to place where this folder will be, update, and we have main folder with name main. Why main? Because this is name of our main file. We can open this. Great. At this moment, what we need? We need go to our logo. Here we have main.exe. We can send this to our desktop. So this looks like a normal desktop application. We can rename if you want to do this, and yeah, after you can run it. In my case, this worked perfect because open special page and data pages are being read. I close this. This is an extreme application termination, so it's okay, but generally this work without errors if I not close this extremely. So at this moment you know how to do this, and if you want now how convert only one Python file to X application with providing data by user, please write this in comments. And if you have any questions about this, also you can write me and I will write you back with pleasure. So have a nice day. Good luck!